Hi, so this is the Baseus iWork series, USB stepless dimming series, hanging light. So this is something that you can put it above your monitor. I bought it because I thought it's quite useful and it won't take up a lot of space. And yeah, so I'm gonna do an unboxing. So basically it's a black color light. Okay, I'll do the unboxing first. How do you open it? Okay. So this came from China. No idea how it'll look like, but here it is. This is the light, and yeah, so basically it will fit. This is 464 millimeters, so it's 46.4 cm, and it will fit your entire monitor, or hopefully around there, and the swivel is somewhere here. So I'm gonna open it now. Okay, here we go. Comparing this to like the BenQ one, the BenQ one costs over $100. This one costs about only 40 Sing dollars, so it's actually pretty worth it, I would say. I mean, that's why I buy it, to give it a try. And it has different color temperatures as well, and you can adjust the brightness too. So here we go. Let me just put it away. So there, and what comes with it is a USB charging cable. So basically you just plug it into the back of your monitor, or maybe the some USB port on your wall. That will do. So let's just deal with the unnecessary unimportant stuff first. It uses a micro USB. No, it uses Type-C. Oh, it uses a Type-C port, so I guess it's pretty useful. The USB port over here, and you can just plug it to the back. So just dump it away also. And here's the light. Oh, it's actually pretty heavy. It's actually 500. Let me see, 500 grams, 46.4. You don't need the instructions, right? Okay, 46.4 centimeters. And so here it is. Here's the light bar. And yeah, 500 grams. It's actually got quite a bit of heft. I thought it would be quite light. So this is where you adjust the brightness and everything. It's made of plastic. The rest is made of metal. So this feels a bit low quality, but you know, you're only paying $40 for it, so you can't really expect much. So I suppose this is the weight, and this is where you will hang the desktop screen like that. Yeah, so I don't have my monitor yet, so this is probably how it look like. And yeah, this has a bit of resistance to it, so it's actually pretty. I think it'll be quite okay. It won't drop off. I don't know, I have to try it out, but I'm just doing an unboxing because it's the holidays and I got nothing else to do. So yep, so you just take the cable, and hold on, let me open it. Okay, so you got a cable, and plug it to, you know what, I'm just gonna plug it to the wall. And I'm gonna plug it in. I hope the camera can see everything. So from here, just plug it to the back, and it should work. It should work. It better work. So I'm gonna turn it on with the on-off switch over here, and ta-da! So I suppose you can adjust the brightness. Okay, you have to turn quite a few times, quite a few rounds just to brighten it, but it seems to be quite bright. Oh, and this light has a 20. You can adjust this to quite a huge degree, so I think it won't shine a glare on your monitor. So I think that's quite good. So I think you can adjust the dimness. Oh, so you just click it here once to adjust to warm, to a mixed color, and cool. And then you hold it to switch it off. Yep, so I guess this will be pretty useful. You can adjust the brightness and darken it to the dimmest. So yep, that's about it. Thanks for watching. I made it because I got nothing else better to do, and there's not a lot of unboxing of this. So thanks for watching, and bye bye.